Arun Chadrun has done it again. He has some amazing PLR for ClickBank products. If you want to make money with PLR and ClickBank, this is it for you. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell for the updates. Arun Chadrun, he's a character, but he knows PLR. He's a great writer, and he creates these amazing PLR products, and I bought a ton of them. I've made money with them, and this is another one. So ClickBank is a great place to find products to sell. The problem is, which is a great product to promote, and it's something that people always ask me. I always ask other people, what do you think about ClickBank? Anything new? Well, Arun made 15 amazing reviews, and there are 2 other products in the upsells, and I'll show you what they are. But in the first volume 1, 15 products that will cost you just a little bit over $1. And these are great reviews that you can make money with off of ClickBank products. So this is the product, the initial product of 15 products. And I have a few of these. I have the smoothie diet. I have the Back to Life, which is if you have a back problem. It's a really good product. It really does work. I love it. The Fast Tracks. So these are products that you can find on ClickBank, review them with this, put a link on the review, and they buy it from you. This is how I make money. This is how a lot of people make money. This is how you can make money online with this. This is a sample review from a couple of years ago. It was a product called His Secret Obsession from ClickBank. It's a big seller. I think it still is. And this is what it looks like. This is the review. It's all written for you. You might want to change it, put your voice into it, but look at this. The good points, the bad points, should you get it, and a place for your link. Your link would go there. Someone clicks on it, you made money. Should you get it now? Yeah, because the price really will go up. And Arun never minces words. So if he says it's going to go up, it really will. So there are 3 products in this funnel. The first one is the one I just showed you. 15 reviews. It's $17 right now, just a little bit over $1. The second volume is the OTL number 1, which is 25 additional product reviews. It's $27. Just get it. You'll use them. And volume 3, OTL number 2, is an additional 10 reviews for $9.95. Get the whole kit and caboodle. Get the whole thing. You'll have enough for the next year and a half. Find the product on ClickBank, do a review, put a page up, put a link on it. Voila. That's how this works. This is how you can make money online. So what about testimonials? Well, Arun really knows his stuff, and he has a lot of testimonials. These are real. I know a lot of these people, and they love them. I should be in this. I have to send you a testimonial, Arun. But look, you can really do this. So click on the link below this video. Get this. Get the front end, the initial product. Get the OTO number 1 and 2. Get all 3 of them and start making money with PLR. I am Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. We'll talk soon.